It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather, sponsored by Scooters Coffee and Rescue Towing. Here's your host, meteorologist Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your Tuesday. Most of us are waking up with dry conditions this morning as of 5 a.m., but that won't be the case as we head closer to the morning drive time into the mid-morning hours and even the early afternoon. I've got rain showers that are likely in the forecast today, and for some, it could be a nice soaking rainfall. Temperatures starting out in the upper 60s. That's pretty comfortable, but we'll spend the midday hours in the upper 60s and low 70s thanks to those rain showers. I think they will be rather widespread, more numerous today than what we kind of saw yesterday as the radar fizzled out through the day on Monday. We are going to see a better chance for rainfall across the region today, and additional chances do exist in this forecast. So it's unsettled again today across the Ozarks. The surface map showing that there is going to be some activity in the center part of the country with the potential for some very heavy downpours stretching all the way from the Intermountain West back through the Midwest. We also have some activity off in the southeast and the east coast. It's a busy day across the country, really, as we head into your Tuesday. Locally, heavy rain is possible with the showers that develop today. In fact, I think the highest amounts will be close to 2 inches. There could be some minor issues with flooding in places that see the heavy downpours for a short period of time. That's probably going to be best between the hours of 10 a.m. today and about 2 p.m. with the locally heavy rainfall that is possible. Most, though, will see much less than that, anywhere from a half inch to 3/4 of an inch expected for a pretty widespread region in the Ozarks. A beneficial rain. We need it. The grass has been getting a little bit dry with the last couple of weeks of dry weather. So today will be beneficial rain. It's also going to hold those afternoon temperatures down a little bit, and we will see numbers come back into the 80s very late in the day. Much warmer temperatures, though, return tomorrow. We're back in the 90s. There will be a rain chance in the forecast again, both Wednesday and Thursday. But I really think the best chance for rain is going to be in our eastern counties over the next couple of days. So today we've got the widespread showers. Then by midweek, temperatures turn much, much warmer. We'll be seeing the heat wave return for the southeastern Kansas and Missouri Ozarks region. Central Missouri is going to have the best chance for some more cloud cover, better rain chances, and cooler temperatures. But excessive heat with heat index values between 100 and 105 look possible along and west of Highway 65. That is going to be true for most of the Ozarks, both Wednesday and Thursday. Additional rain is going to be possible tonight into tomorrow morning. Primarily, though, that's going to be for our northeastern counties, places that are just north or along a warm front that is going to be draped over the Ozarks. A warm front will be lifting through Missouri. That's what we have to thank for the humid air mass that will build back in tomorrow. I expect that we are going to see some rainfall potential again tonight into early Wednesday, then again on Thursday. Both of those days will see the best chance for our northeastern counties in the Ozarks. So today, temperatures limited because of the rainfall. If for some reason you don't get a whole lot of rain today, expect it to be very warm with temperatures approaching the 90s. Most of us, however, will be held down with those rain chances in the low 70s through the midday hours. And it's the late day sunshine that will allow us to warm back up into the mid 80s. I'm going about 84 for the Springfield area, but that happens late today. As we head into Wednesday, once again, those that get the rain will be cooler. So a range in temperatures is expected, but highs will jump back into the 90s for most on Wednesday. And then by Thursday, it's hot. Mid 90s in the forecast, heat index values back up into the triple digits. And then we see those numbers kind of level out a little bit for the weekend forecast. Around the country, what's making headlines? It's this unsettled weather from the Intermountain West back through the mid-Mississippi Valley. That's what we're dealing with today. We also have dangerous heat that's building for the Southern Plains and the Gulf Coast later this week. And critical fire danger is existing out in the Pacific Northwest and the Great Basin. It's also coming along with very poor air quality. So we are thinking about our friends out west as fire season really gets underway. All right, it's time for the Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather Brain Twister Trivia question for the day. The question that I left you with yesterday, 50-50 chance of getting right. True or false, meteor showers are caused by dust particles. Those of you that guessed true, you are correct. It seems a bit too simple, like dust can cause meteor showers. But yes, meteor showers are caused by dust particles from comets or asteroids that enter into Earth's atmosphere at very high speeds. As the comet approaches the sun, it leaves behind this trail of dust, rock grains, ice called meteoroids. And then when Earth passes through this trail that the comets are leaving behind, the meteoroids enter the atmosphere, they burn up, they rub against other air particles, create friction and heat. It vaporizes most meteors, resulting in these bright streaks of light that we see across the sky that we probably call shooting stars. If you've ever seen one of those, just know that some simple dust is what set it all off. Kind of amazing. All right, here's a question that I'll leave you with for tomorrow for all you cat lovers. What breed of cat doesn't have any fur? Do you think it is A, the Siamese, B, the Persian, C, Egyptian, or D, Sphinx? Let me know your guess. No Googling, that takes all the fun out of it. But if you get a correct guess, you could win $20 to Scooter's Coffee. Thank you so much for listening this morning to Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather. Bring the rain gear with you. We are going to see some showers across the Ozarks today, and at times it will come down at a pretty good rate. Thanks so much to our sponsors, Scooter's Coffee and Rescue Towing. And thank you for listening. Have a great day.